Make busy book with Jeanly handcrafts. Ready the printed materials. I print all the images in A4 size 70 GSM paper. I have two kinds of images, one with background for base and one without a background. Cut all the without background images one by one. This will serve the detachable object in our busy book. Once done cutting, flatten all the cut images to laminating film. Have some allowance for each photo, as we need to cut it again as a laminated object. I used stick glue, so the images will take place and not move upon laminating. Laminating time. Ready 110 to 120 degrees Celsius temperature for 125 microns laminating film. Once done, laminating. Cut again all the images that have no background, have some allowance for cutting. Using Velcro tape, attach all the cut images to the base. Match all photos. To book binds, punch a hole using a puncher and binds using a loose leaf metal loop ring. Busy book done. Enjoy crafting.
Ooh.